Alright. It's Labor Day. Last time I filmed, I think, was like Friday. But we're gonna go work on the deck, right? Yep, let's go help Dada, right? We're gonna go help Dada. What? Yeah. Out of wood. I don't want to throw that. Alright, well, it's been a while since the last update, but we ran out of those 2x2s, so we had to go get more, and then we took them to Cody's dad's house because his stepmom wants to put the point on the end, but Cody's working on a different part of the deck, and I'm kind of just getting him what he needs so he doesn't have to get up and down. But I think I'm gonna grab the loppers and get back to pruning those sticker bushes away. But yeah, giving myself something to do while Cody's busy. Let's do it. Alright, that's what we're starting with. But there's a lot of dog poop since last time, so I'm gonna clean all that up first, but hopefully make another good dent in it. And there's my starting pile. But yeah, let's get to it. Mama's okay. Yeah, Mama's okay. Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. I love you. Sorry. Yeah, go ahead. You can have some blackberries. Yeah, blackberries. Yeah. Yeah, you love blackberries. Careful. Mama doesn't want you to get hurt. You okay? Are you being silly? Yeah, there's lots of blackberries, huh? Yep, just be careful. You being careful? Yeah. You okay? Yeah. It's over there. Hey, Mama's gonna move your bike, okay? Did you find a good blackberry? Alright, I'm calling it there. Got probably another 2 feet back. But we'll just keep plucking away at it. Who's coming to see you? You so excited for Grandpa?
Papa?
Yeah, Grandpa's coming?
People coming?
Yeah, to see you.
I see them.
Yeah, so exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah.